Okay, today we will continue class 8, okay, atmospheric pressure. We have studied a little bit about atmospheric pressure in our previous class. Today we will continue the discussion. Okay, so today we will see what are the units to measure the atmospheric pressure. Units to measure atmospheric pressure. Okay, so what is atmospheric pressure? It is a pressure exerted by the atmosphere on any object present inside that. Okay, so what is the unit to measure it? It is ATM. Okay, ATM, atmospheric pressure. Now it is measured, atmospheric pressure is measured by unit ATM. What is ATM? 1 ATM is the pressure that you experience when in the barometer it reads 76 centimeter of hydrogram. That is, what is that? 1 Pascal or 101.3 kilopascal. We have studied that pressure value, right? Okay, so it is 1 atm is when the pressure is 76 centimeters of hydrogram in the barometer. Okay, there is one more unit to measure the atmospheric pressure, that is torr. Okay, torr. What is torr? What is the value of torr? 1 atm is equal to 760 torr, or 1 torr is equal to 1 by 760 atm. Okay, so this is the relation between torr and atm. What is the, there is one more unit which can measure the atmospheric, that is bar. Okay, which is, what is the value of bar? That is 1 atm is equal to 101325 bar, or 1 bar is equal to 1 by 1.01325 atm. Okay, so these are the three units which are used by us to measure the atmospheric pressure. So now let us study about the other concepts which are there, like density, volume, etc. First we will study about density. Okay. What is density? Density is nothing but if you measure a substance in such a way that if you are measuring the mass per unit volume, if this is the unit volume, 1 meter cube unit volume, okay, it is a unit volume, that means its length is 1, height is 1, breadth is 1, then it is a 1 meter cube volume. Okay, if whatever mass you are seeing in that object per unit volume, for 1 meter cube or 1 centimeter cube, what is the mass of this? What is the mass present over there? That will give you the value of density. Density is mass per unit volume. Now, density is nothing but mass per unit volume. Okay, calculated by using this formula. Density is equal to mass by volume. What is the unit of it? Density is equal to mass by volume. So what is the mass unit? It is kg. What is the volume, unit of volume? That is meter cube. This is in SI unit. In SI unit, unit of density is kg per meter cube. But what happens when it is in CGS? In CGS, it is grams per centimeter cube. In SI, it is kg per meter cube. In CGS, it is grams per centimeter cube. Density can also be represented by another symbol rho. Okay, so this is about density. Now let us study about volume. What do you mean by volume? Volume is nothing but, as we all know, it's same thing, height, breadth. If you are measuring height, breadth and length, okay, then that is the volume of that substance. That gives you the volume of that substance. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. This is mathematical formula. Okay. Okay. Now, in words, if you are saying what is volume, it is the space occupied. That is volume. What is volume? It's the space occupied. What is the space occupied by the matter in this particular? If there is an object over here, what is the space occupied? What is the length? What is the breadth? And what is the height that the object occupies in this particular space? That is called as volume. What are the units of volume? Units of volume are, see here, meter, meter, meter. So it is meter cube or centimeter cube. This is in SI, this is in CGS. Okay. Now, what is the, there is one note. Note is that, you have to note that we measure everything with respect to water. Okay, because we take something, we are more aware about water than any other quantity. So we take water as a substance which can be used as a standard quantity to measure the density or to measure the relative density of the objects. Now what is this? See, you are measuring any other thing, any other substance with respect to water. Okay. So here, especially the density of any other object is measured with respect to the density of water. So it is important to know the density of water. Because of its unique feature, density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube or 1 gram per centimeter cube. So you have to note this value, that density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube or 1 gram per centimeter cube. Depending upon which units, which system of units you are using in the sums, you have to use the appropriate one. Okay. So now let us study about the relative density. So we studied about density, volume and a little bit note about this. Then we will study about relative density. Relative density. What is relative density? If you are measuring the density of substance, any substance, take any substance, okay. If you want to measure the relative density of this substance, it means that you are measuring the density of substance, or you are comparing the density of substance with the density of water. Okay, if you are comparing the density of substance with the density of water, then that particular value what you will get, it will be called as relative density. Relative with respect to 2. Relative density means with respect to 2. But the standard quantity which you are taking is water here. So whenever the terms like relative comes, it is with respect to 2 you are taking any other standard quantity. You are measuring a substance with respect to a standard quantity, and in this case, in case of density, when you are measuring density, it is water which is taken as a standard quantity, and we know the values of it, right? In both in terms of SI and CGS. So relative density is density of substance with respect to density of water. Unit. What is the unit of relative density? It has no unit. There is no unit, because density of substance, the density of water, unit is same, it gets cancelled out. Or when two similar type of objects are being compared, you are not writing, it's a comparison, it is not exact value, it's a comparison value, so there is no unit for it. Okay. If you are taking, let us take an example given in the textbook, that if aluminium's density of aluminium is 2.7 grams per centimeter cube. What is the relative density of aluminium? To measure the relative density of aluminium, we need density of aluminium with respect to density of water. Now this is in CGS system, so whatever we will take, it will be in CGS. What is the density of water in CGS system? It is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So it is 2.7. So relative density is equal to 2.7. There is no unit, only the value, magnitude, that is 2.7. It's comparison. It means that density of aluminium is 2.7 more than the density of water. Okay. Next, let us see the relative density of solid substance. If there is a solid substance, if you want to measure the relative density of solid substance, then what is the density of solid substance? How to measure that? Relative density of